Hey guys, welcome back to this plugin series. The next plugin we are looking at is called Ticketmaster. I know many one of you would have used Ticketmaster, and this is a popular plugin and also a site which got went down for during a Taylor Swift event, and most of them were not able to get tickets. So it has its share of controversy. Now they have rolled out a ChatGPT plugin. So I have installed this plugin. You can just type ticket in your search bar in the list of plugins and install it. I have done that and I've enabled this plugin. So this plugin is enabled. So what this plugin can do, right? So this plugin, you can request information of all the available ticket concerts of a specific artist in a city or a country. You can also get comedy shows of artists and family events as well as sport games. So let's look for I just wanted to show you how you can use this. So the first, let's look at an artist. So you might be one of the Taylor Swift fans and you would like to know which are the upcoming events of Taylor Swift in your city. So to do that, you can just type this prompt, search for your artist concerts or event anywhere in US, or if you want it in a specific city, you can also search for it. So it will list all the upcoming tickets and also link to the ticket wherein you can go ahead and book the tickets. So that's basically this one here. And yeah, you can book the tickets for this event, and that's the first prompt here. And let's move back to our this one. So the second one we would be looking for is so let's say you might live in LA and you are interested in all the NBA games in LA. So find me tickets for all NBA games in Los Angeles. So once this completes, we'll execute this prompt, and that should give us all the active NBA games here. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a very popular artist, and so it looks like the event list is pretty large. So let's stop it at here, or yeah, I think let's let it complete. It should take a couple of other minutes. So yeah, I think you should get it for up to 6 months. So till December. So we are now in August, so we get it for up to 6 months. So let's move on to the next one. So find me tickets for NBA games in Los Angeles, or if you are interested in a specific team. The next one we could as well as ask search tickets for games of Indiana Packers or Miami Heat or any other uh, teams that are of interest to you. You can search for specific tickets, and similarly you can get the tickets for those specific events. So if you go here, it should show you the ticket price wherein you can book tickets, the range of your tickets, where you want it in the ticket, so you can book those specific tickets. So that covers the sports part of this. And if you haven't checked out the Ticketmaster, let me show you 1 minute. So the Ticketmaster website would look like this. So these are the 4 categories you can ask in any Ticketmaster event in ChatGPT. So one, it basically has a concert, sports, arts, theater, and family. And if you want to see the trends, you can see here. But this plugin does not give me the specific data on the trends. So that's currently not there yet. And that might be a new feature, they might roll it out. But if you are looking at specific artists, specific location, or specific teams, so this plugin can give you the data at the moment. That's what's useful for now. And after this, the last one, like this one, so you might be interested in family events like Jurassic World Tour, Jurassic Quest, or some River City Rodeo or any of your games, whatever that's of interest to you. So let's try searching that. And one thing is, I can just do that here. So are there any comedy shows happening in Miami? Cool. So we got all their games here, all their game schedules listed, and yeah, as it's so you might be interested in your city, or you have some sport fans who will fly over to other cities just to check the game. So that's totally up to you. Uh, the level of interest in sports, some like it online, some like it in person in stadiums. So how you would like to view it, that's up to you. And this is a really good plugin if you are into events and concerts and other stuff. So once this completes, we'll execute our next one. Okay, this list. Okay, this list is long. It's coming across. Okay, so this one's done. So it gave the home games as well as the away games. So whichever you're interested in, you can take a look at that. And the last one is, let's see if it can give us the events on the specific artist. So I have given search events for artist named this one. So I saw she had the highest number of events um, in the trending list. So that's why I took, oh, I think this guy also has 69 events. So yeah, so whichever is of interest to you, you can try it. This one is just for demo purposes. And yeah, so it's giving a list of comedy shows that are happening in Miami, and it can't give you a zip code specific data currently. So if you're interested in zip code, it won't work at the moment, but it will work for events in a city. And it should, most events in a city are in a commutable distance, so it should not be a major problem. And this should list all the specific events for this artist in US. And if you want to be specific, you can list in US, in Europe, or any other geography of your interest. It would only list the events in that specific geography. So I hope this helps, and thank you for joining.